Good morning, Osseo Senior High colleagues. Just want to take a couple of minutes here to share with you some resources and templates that our digital learning team has put together for you. They basically took our snow day flex learning plan and turned it into an 8-week template. Now, many or most of you might already have a plan or an idea of what your online course is going to look like. That said, there's still some helpful tips in here and some good reminders. So definitely just take a few minutes to check these out. If you're new to online learning or you're not sure where to start or what this course is going to look like, this could be very helpful to you. I know when I looked at it, it really gave me an idea of what I want my kids to be doing each day or each week. So if we go to our Osseo Senior High staff page here, there's a pink folder here at the top, Extended Flex Learning for the next 8 weeks starting 3:30. And if I click on that and open that up, I can see at the top here tips and strategies for Extended Flex Learning. Definitely look into that. This teacher checklist is the same checklist that we used for our snow day, but that can be helpful. We have some templates or some stock messages here for students if they need to contact you. There are weekly folders here. These are all empty, but they're just here to provide an idea or a template of what your class might look like. Again, a template, a suggestion. What I really liked was this purple folder here, an example week. If I open this up, I can see one example of what a class or what students might be expected to complete in a week. It's watch a video, it's post a response, I might have a reading assignment, I might end the week with an assessment. Again, just an example, but if you're looking for a way to get started or you're wondering what is my class going to look like, that might be helpful. Your students will have lots of questions, so I'm going to post an FAQ in the form of a discussion. There are sample assessments here. This here at the bottom is something that reminded me of what Michael told us on Monday about continuing to check in with students, not only academically, but socially as well. So I think that's helpful too, including this virtual calming room that I know I'll be using, and I might be sending my students there too. So definitely go into that purple folder and check out those resources. If I back out of this and I go back to our staff page, the second folder on this page, this purple folder, support materials, this kind of gets really into the nuts and bolts of how do I do these things on Schoology? How do I post an assessment or an assignment? How do I create a discussion? How do I create rubrics or upload rubrics into Schoology? Mr. Carls has created a lot of screencast videos really showing us how to navigate Schoology. So again, the pink folder at the top, templates for what an online course might look like, tips and strategies, and the purple folder is really the how-to of Schoology. Ben Carls and I will be available throughout the day today to help you set up these courses and hopefully the next couple of weeks in some capacity. So definitely check us or look us up if you need some help, and we wish you the best of luck today and in the next few weeks.